Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Italian online. First, define your learning objectives, whether it's for travel, work, or personal enrichment. Next, research reputable online courses that fit your learning style and budget. Many platforms offer free trials, so take advantage of those. Finally, integrate language learning apps into your daily routine for consistent exposure to new words and phrases. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Once you have your foundation, dive into interactive tools. Websites often provide exercises that clarify complex grammar points. To boost your listening comprehension, immerse yourself in Italian media. Start with subtitles, then try without. Crucially, seek out native speakers online for conversation. Platforms connect learners globally, offering invaluable real-time practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more language learning tips. Quick recommendation: for all your Italian reading practice, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for carrying countless Italian books wherever you go. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To truly immerse yourself, incorporate Italian into your daily life. Podcasts and music are excellent for developing an ear for the language and understanding natural speech rhythms. Reading Italian texts, even short articles, will significantly broaden your vocabulary. Furthermore, connecting with online communities provides a supportive environment. You can ask questions, share progress, and even find study partners, making the journey more enjoyable. Consistency is key to mastering any language. Set a realistic study schedule and stick to it, even if it's just 15 minutes daily. Celebrate small victories like understanding a new phrase or completing a challenging lesson. This keeps motivation high. Regularly revisit older lessons to reinforce what you've learned, preventing knowledge gaps. Remember, learning Italian is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient with yourself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.